how to replace any object in a photo with AI in Painting. Now, if you want to replace any object in a photo with AI in Painting, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. What we have to do is we have to simply go ahead and then open our browser and type in AI in Painting, and I'll also type in free just so I will get some of the free websites only. So when I've done that, I can simply select any of the website that I get in my search results, so I can transform and replace a certain part of a photo using AI in Painting. So I'll tap on Start in Painting now. Here it'll give me a couple of prompts that learn how to use it, but I'll simply skip this process and you can go ahead and select other websites if one doesn't work, and I'll just select click or drag the image. And once you drag the image, select your first image, and after that you can select other image to basically create and replace the photo using AI in Painting. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.